Picking a merchant account just because it is popular, that can cost you hundreds or even thousands in hidden fees each month, especially if you are high volume or high risk. Here's a quick way to see your merchant account cost at a glance. In Google Sheets, list each provider's setup fee, percent transaction fee, monthly fee, and calculate the total monthly cost. This helps you spot which account could save you money. But manually comparing fees is just the first step. You still need a reliable processor to keep your payments smooth and consistent. That's where EasyPay Direct comes in. With transparent fees, dedicated support, and approval for nearly every vertical, including high risk merchants, you can focus on growing your store instead of worrying about surprise costs. Plus, EasyPay Direct's FAQ on additional fees associated with e-commerce credit card processing explains exactly what to expect at every stage. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description. Check how their transparent pricing and dedicated support can maximize your revenue. Don't let hidden fees eat into your profits. With EasyPay Direct, you get clear, predictable costs, full support, and a merchant account that works for your business. Click the link in the description to get started today.